Welcome to Python Programming Online Discussion Forum 2. Myself, K. Ravikiran Reddy. This is my ID 23ADV01565. So, presentation overview is Module 6. We are having 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 modules. Control statements, string and characters, functions, list and tuples, dictionaries, object oriented programming. Now we discussing about the control statements. The control statements in the Python is a flow of a program that allows to make decisions, execute certain code blocks repeatedly. We are having a statement, else statement, elif statement, while loop, for loop, break statement, continue statement, and pass statement. We will discuss one by one. If statement, if the condition is true, the block will be executed. Else statement, if the condition is false, else will be executed. Elif statement, if the condition is true, it will execute and condition 2 is true, this one will executed. Otherwise, else statement will executed. While loop, if the condition is true, the code executed while condition is true. For loop, for variable in iterable, the code is executed for each element in the iterable. Break statement, while condition is true is here, if some condition break, it will be if some condition is satisfied, it will break from the loop. Continue statement, it will continue when the condition is satisfied, it will continue the same loop. Pause statement, it will not affect anything. If the condition is true, it pass to the else and the else will be executed. You will see the examples of this. If a number is 10 is greater than 0, so number is positive. If number is minus 5, here it will come to the else statement, number is not positive. If else statement, if number equal to 0, so if number is 0 is greater than 0, it's false. It come to here, equal to equals, the number is 0. While loop, count equal to 0, it will be 0 less than is 5 is true, it will iterate for 5 times from 0 to 4, the output will come here. Fruits, for loop, we are having fruits, apple, orange, banana. Fruits in fruits is print f. I like fruit, it will come first fruit, apples, like oranges and bananas. Break statement, count where earlier count equal to 0 is assigned, so while 0 and count is incremented up to 5 times, so it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is greater than or equal to 5 is true. It will break from here, it will exit. So continue statement for x in range of 10. So it prints x percentile to equal to 0, continue. Means 1 is percentile to is not equal to 0, it prints a 1. 2, it's 0, it will continue here. And 3, not 0, so it will give the output like odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will give the output. Pass statement, just it pass the statement. If the 5 is greater than 0 is true, it pass to the else and x is not positive. Module 7, strings and characters. The strings are sequence of characters. Characters in the Python represented by the string data type. Strings are enclosed in the single quote or double quotes. We see here creating strings, string operations, string indexing, string slicing, string methods, escape characters. Characters having individual characters, Unicode support, ordinary and character functions we are having. String formatting also we see here. If suppose string 1 equal to we are assigned hello world, string 2 is Python programming. When we combine using the concatenation with the plus operator, string 1 plus we give the space and string 2, it will print hello world Python programming. For repeating the string, we string 1 into thrice, we are assigning hello world will print three times. String indexing, first character string 1 of 0, it will gives the output is h. And string slicing, we are getting a string from 7th character to 18th character, which is output of programming. String methods, we are having length method, for example, string 1 length is gives the 13. We can convert the uppercase also, string 1 dot upper hello world. Yes, like that we are having the string methods. Escape characters will give the new line character. This is a line break and slash is second line. It will come like this. We will discuss about the functions. Function is a reusable code. In this module, we discuss about the defining a function, built-in functions, user-defined functions, and lambda and higher order functions and recursive functions. Defining a function with the keyword is def, function name, code of the block, and return the results. The function name is the name of the function, parameters, input values. Return keyword used to return the value from the function. For example, here see here definition add a comma b colon written a plus b. We are calling the function at 3 comma 5 and it go to here, and if 3 plus 5 is give the output, it will that will be 8, and result will come as 8, and we will print the output as 8. We are having built-in functions like print, length, max, minimum, type, and many others. Anonymous functions, that are lambda function. The syntax of the lambda function is like this: at lambda a comma b a plus b. We can the single line functions we can see here. Higher order functions like we are having map, filter, and sorted. Numbers we are assigning 1 to 5, and we are doing here square of the numbers, and it will get the list like that: 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. The x value is 1, 1, 2 is 4, and 3 is 9. Double star means a square, and 4 square 16, and 5 square is 25. Filtering means we can filter the functions by using the lambda filter command. Filter lambda x percentile to when even number it comes, it gives the result is true, that value is going to store in the even. So 2, 4, 6, 8 will come and store even, it will print the list is 2, 4, 6, 8. Sorting the tuples we can also see here. We are having 1, 5, 3, 2, 8, 7. The sorted pairs lambda x of x from one position also you can sort. The sorted here print sorted pairs are 3 comma 2 will come first, and 1 comma 5 and 8 comma 7 will come. Module 9 is list and tuples. List and tuples are both data structures used to store the collection of items. They have the similarities, but the difference in the list are mutable, means it can be changed after the creation, while tuples are immutable, means it cannot be changed after creation. We can see list and tuples individually. List is a list mutable order collection of elements. We can create the list by using fruits, apple, by using this braces, fruits, apple, banana, cherry. We can access the zero position is first and second apple. Modify also we can do. Fruit of one is orange. Earlier we having banana. We can modify with the orange that will come here. We can append the next element also by using append function. Fruits append dot grape. We get the output four instances like this. Removing an element, we can remove the fruits, remove orange also we can remove. So apple, cherry, grape the output. List slicing also we are having numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first position and the fourth position. We get the output is print of subset is 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. List comprehension, x square for x in the range of, also we can do print squares from 0 to 5, means we can start with the 0 and end with the 4, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16. Tuple, a tuple is immutable. We cannot modify this one. So creating red, green, blue with the tuples, the braces. Accessing elements also we can do individual colors 0. We get the red. We cannot assign the values. It will give the error. We can do the tuple unpacking also. If we point 3 comma 4, we assign the x comma y also. Print x comma y. So x comma is values 3 and y is values 4. Returning multiple values from a function. By cardinality we get here the get cardinals written 5 comma 8. We can store cardinalities multiple values in this, and print cardinals 5 comma 8. Dictionaries. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where each key must be unique. Dictionaries are mutable and meaning modify. Mutable means it can be modified. Basic dictionary operations, dictionary methods, and dictionary iteration, nested dictionaries we can see here. So creating a dictionary is with the flower braces, name, alias, age 20, grades in the. We can also dictionaries under the dictionary also we can see in the grades. Math is 90, history 85, English 80. These are the accessing value. Student of name we get the alias, and the grade. We math value also we can print by using the double calling, using this angular brackets. So 90, modifying a value student age equal 21, print student age, output of 21, age is 21, the output is 21. New value pair is student gender equal to female, so we can change the gender also. We can add the gender also here. Student gender output is female. So delete the student also we can do. Student grades also, grade math, and so we can get the error. We cannot delete. We can modify only. Dictionary methods: print student keys, print student values, and student items. The keys are we are having name, age, grades, and values are alias 21 math. These are the values, and student items. We can all the items we can get the by using item function. Checking if a key is the Key in the dictionary, print name in a student, output is true. Print country in a student, output is false. There is no country, we are having only name, that's why it is coming true. Dictionary iterations, we can also do key value in a student items, print f of key value, output is first name will come and age will come, and after that the grades will come. Object oriented programming, we are having object oriented programming is a paradigm that uses the instance classes to organize and structure code. Python is an object oriented programming language, supports features of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. You can see one by one. So creating a simple class by using class name, class dog, and we can give the colon specific. So we are key here. One variable created can is familiars. Constructor can be defined by using def and double underscore init and double underscore. Self is automatically give for every constructor. And these are the variables name and age. Instance method also we can create like this. Another instance also we can create. So now we calling here dog 1 dog buddy comma 3, we go to the dog function, dog sorry class, and there we are giving the buddy here and age. So in the description we are printing here the output of the this one is buddy is 3 years old and dog to spook off, and here woof will come, and in that mule, and 5 is sending to there, and that values are print here. Mule says oof. Inheritance, it allows the inherit properties and behavior of another class. The class that is inherited from is called as a base class or parent class. The class is inherits is called as a derived class or child class. In Python you can achieve inheritance using the class keyword and specifying the base class in parentheses after the derived class name. If see here we are having the dog function, dog class name, so that can be inherited by using the this is parenthesis dog, and you can give the code like this. And if we call this function golden description, description will say Charlie 2 years old, and golden speak, that is a Charlie says bark loudly. So Charlie says bark loudly. This one is encapsulation. Encapsulation involves bundling the data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit known as a class. The concept of encapsulation helps in hiding the internal implementation details of a class and restricting the access to certain parts of the class. This can be achieved by using the access modifiers like public, private, and protected. We can see this. We can create here private members and public members. We are created here. We can access only account withdraw, so 2000, and this can be here we can see account bank account is 1000. It will go to there, and output balance is 1000 we can getting here, and deposit 500 we're getting the 1500. So 1000 plus 500 we are getting here this one, and the withdraw is 2000. Output is insufficient, so only 1500 is there. Polymorphism means it is a more than one form. This is enables the same interface method are to be used for different types of objects. There are two types of polymorphism: compile time and polymorphism, and runtime polymorphism. So see here we are having speak in the cat class, and the duck is also we are having speak in the same methods we are using. So we can, the polymorphism means same name is used in the different classes. We can cat and duck with gates, and animal sound will cat will gives the meow, and animal sound duck will gives the quack. This is about the object oriented programming. Thanks. Thank you.